Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be drawing the Among Us character from the video game developed by Innersloth called Among Us. They have also developed a famous game just like this called Henry Stickmin. That's a story mode game and this is a multiplayer game, so there's a difference between it. Now you may be wondering, where's the pen and paper? I can't see it on the camera. Well, I'm going to be drawing this on Autodesk Sketchbook on my iPad because I want to try and hone my skills in digital drawing as well. So, if you guys want to draw digitally, go ahead. You can follow me on your device as well. Or you can draw with any media you want, such as pen and paper. Now, I'm going to be using Predictive Stroke to draw this. That basically makes all the very rough shapes into more definite shapes. So if you're using Autodesk Sketch, I recommend that you use Predictive Stroke as well. Now first, for the visor, we need to draw an oval. Let's do that. So that's how Predictive Stroke works, but that wasn't the oval I was looking for. This is more of a oval slash rounded rectangle kind of shape. If you see the character up on Google, you'll know what I mean. So let's just try. Okay, no. So it needs to be a little more rounded. Okay, now we can draw the end of the visor right here, just like this. So your shape should be somewhat like this. It doesn't matter if it's like little big or little small. I mean, in some of the pictures it looks like this, so that's what I'm going for. Draw a line above the visor and continue the bottom line that's below the visor all the way down, just like this. So this is going to be the front of the character and the bottom is going to be the feet. Draw a line parallel to that, and now we're going to do the head. The head is going to be curving just like this, but it needs to be a little bit different, like this a bit. I think I can get it now. There. So it should be somewhat like this. Yeah, it looks like a minion at this point, but that's how the character looks. Let's draw a curve at the bottom. Two curves, just like that. Then we have to draw a line. 1 second. Let's just redo that. It didn't come out properly. Okay. Draw. Make sure that you draw it properly. Okay. One line here and a curve. Oh. So I'm going to keep trying till it comes properly. So I'll draw the line and the curve. Just like this. And then I'll draw the line here. And I'll join the curve to the side. Like that. Okay. Make sure it's a very gradual curve like this, because it shouldn't be too sharp like the previous one. It should be quite gradual like this. Now we can move on to the backpack. Draw two slanted lines and connect them just like this. And then now onto the visor. There's a visor detail since there's different colors in the visor as well. So first let's draw it's a second oval kind of shape inside the visor. Okay, that's too curvy. It's supposed to be a little flatter like this. Perfect. And we have a little highlight oval on the top like that. Yeah, that's good. And now we can just color it. If you want, you can just leave it like this, or if you want, you can color it. I'm going to fill the color in since I'm on my iPad. So a little darker, not too light. Yeah, there. That's too red. It's a little orangish red. There. Okay, yeah, that looks better. So that's the color I'm going to do. You can do any color that you want from the video game. Since they added a new update, you can add even the peach color to your character if you want. So now for the visor, I'm taking this blue. For the second part of the visor, make it a little bit lighter. I'm just going to save this color till then. Make it a little lighter and save this color as well. And for the inner bubble, just color it white, or you can just leave it like that. I'm just doing this so that if I make it a PNG image, then it shouldn't affect the tiny bubble in the image. Okay, so gonna sign it now on the side with the year. I always like to write the year so I know when I drew this. 2021, just like that. And yeah, this is the Among Us character from the game developed by Innersloth called Among Us. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you share this video with your family or friends or your classmates, maybe, like if they enjoy drawing and stuff. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and tell others also if they enjoyed it to like it. And share my channel with your friends, tell them to subscribe. And yeah, that is all for today. I'll be drawing some more of my drawings on my iPad, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.